Hello amazing people, welcome back to the channel Juditheffect. My name is Judith. It's been a hot minute and it's good to have you all back to my channel. So today I bring you good news and I would like to hit you up on something very nice. If you love to smell good yet at an affordable price and a Black Friday sales for up to 50% discount. If this is something you like to watch, do stick around until the end. Welcome back to the channel. I'll be plugging you all on a luxurious perfume. This perfume smells of luxury, but yet at an affordable price. And many of the fragrances are inspired by your popular but yet very expensive designer perfumes. Dossier perfume. This label reached out to me to try out some of their products, which I did, and honestly, it is giving what it's supposed to give. First, for me, the packaging is awesome. It's absolutely beautiful. It's classy, yet really simple, and it's giving. So you can see the name is clearly written there, Dossier. That's how it's pronounced. And the packaging, yeah, this is it. And it also comes with the notes of the perfume. Comes with the top notes, the middle notes, and the base note. So this one is the floral violet. And the top notes are watermelon, pomelo, and strawberry, while the middle notes are violet, gardenia, jasmine. Base notes are musk, vanilla, and blonde woods. Why I picked this particular fragrance, and that is the floral violet, is because I've used the Kilian's Love Don't Be Shy before, and it's absolutely lovely. So this one is inspired by that designer perfume, and trust me, this one smells like it's giving this awesome yet attractive smell. And I love the cover. It covers up this way, and the atomizer is really nice. It also has this very fruity smell to it. It's giving this very present but yet unforgettable kind of smell. So this is the floral violet. This is one of my favorites actually, and my second favorite again is the floral marshmallow. Like, this floral marshmallow is really gorgeous, and it also has the base notes, the top notes, and the middle notes. So they give you the access to know the flavor of what you're buying, like the makeup of the particular perfume you have chosen to buy. So this one, the top notes are marshmallow, neroli, and bergamot, and the middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. Then the base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. This perfume smells beautifully. Like, I like stuff that has to do with floral, because it just makes you smell flowery, like some garden sweet kind of person. The packaging is beautiful. You can just drop in your bag and go. And if you're a guy, you can as well put it in your pocket, or if you have a nice handy bag, you can just put it into your bag and you can go anywhere, work, office, beach, friends, anywhere you want to go. You really move around with this perfume. So this is the floral marshmallow, and this smells like this powdery boss chic kind of smell. This one is inspired by the Marc Jacobs Daisy. I have actually used perfumes by Marc Jacobs, and it has a similar smell to it, but yet at affordable prices. So my darlings, what are you waiting for? There's a Black Friday sales going on for up to 50% discount, and it's going to run up until December the 13th. 2025. You could gift your loved ones this perfume. I'm going to send the link down below on my description box. And also, I've gotten 1 or 2 comments from people as regards to this smell. These perfumes are luxury smells used by your favorite celebrities at an affordable price. Dossier perfume is now in the UK. So yes, you can now order your Dossier perfume from the UK, and it will be delivered straight to your house. So now let's be heading on to my body care routine. So somebody had asked me to do a skincare routine. This comment came in since last month. Life has been lifing, adults have been adulting, but we move. So I've not really been able to do a video as regards to that request. But hey, today I'm doing it, and one of the body or skincare routine of mine is using dossier perfume. Okay, And I'll start with my body wash. The new body wash I introduced to myself this period is the Astonish Body and Soul Pink Paradise. So you can see it's almost gone. This body wash, I first chose it because number one, it smells heavenly. I love to smell good because it's just one of my guilty pleasures. Like, I love to smell good. So whenever I'm buying my wash, my body wash, one of the things I consider is the way they smell. I used to use Dove earlier this year, but I decided to switch to this. There was no reason why I switched from Dove to this. There was no reason. It's just because I wanted to try something different. Plus, I liked the smell. So I decided to buy this. I use it as both body wash and a bath soap. Like, I put water in my running bath and I pour it into the bath water and I soak myself for like 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, just for it to soak in all the beautiful good flavor coming from this. And whenever I come out from the bath, I smell like a brand new baby. And same goes when I use it as a shower gel. It still gives that feeling. It's just that the soaking one makes my skin, like, it makes it absorb more of all the goodness. Like, this time I'm not rushing to, wash it off. I'm just in there for like 20 to 30 minutes and it soaks all the goodness in, leaving my body really soft and nice. And it's not really pricey. I got this from a regular shop, very affordable. I think I got it from Home Bargains. I used to use bar soap before, but suddenly I just felt shower gel is a lot more calm, a lot more softer, and a lot more easy for me to use and just keep it going. And so this is for my body wash. And the next one I use is the scrub, QEI body scrub. So I've had this it's getting to almost a year. I've had this since the beginning of this year. I'm not someone who always uses it for latent products on my skin that regularly, simply because here it's always very cold. It's not something you need to use frequently, except you've had a lot of dead skin cells on your body. Maybe you're not someone who exfoliates at all, so you might need to be exfoliating your skin once or twice in a week. But here in a month, maybe just once, or maybe in a month I might not even exfoliate. So if I must exfoliate, I have to heavily moisturize my body using body oils, good body lotions, good body moisturizer to just lock in the moisture on my body. Because sometimes even soaking myself inside my bath water helps to also take out dead skin cells. I don't need to do too much when it comes to exfoliation. So that is that for my exfoliants. And also my body oil, which is Johnson Baby Oil. You've seen my previous video before of how I make my brightening body oil. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to leave the link down below. I've not been able to get my products that I have to use to mix with Johnson. But however, because of all the steps I take while showering or giving myself a bath, so naturally brightens my body. So I don't need to do a lot on my body for a brighter skin. So I use this. I don't need to mix it with anything. I've not mixed it recently. I use just this Johnson Baby Oil to moisturize my body, just keep it really glowing. This is it. During summer, I don't use it that much, but during winter, during autumn, I use it a lot. And I reapply. After applying, I still reapply on my skin, just to keep it glowing, just to keep it moisturized for a long time. And so that brings me back to my body lotion, the Advanced Clinicals Retinol. This is a retinol body lotion by Advanced Clinicals. I don't know if you can see it. Targets early signs of aging, dryness, dullness, and uneven skin tone. So this dryness, dullness, and uneven skin tone was the major reason. Of course, targeting early signs of aging is good, but because of the weather here, those three were my major cause of concern, because the weather here is really dry and it can make your skin look dull. So that was why I had to get this retinol. I've never used a body lotion that had retinol in it. I think I've used a face cream that had retinol, but I didn't use it for a long time. So this is the first time I'm using a lotion that had retinol in it, and it contains vitamin E, green tea, and aloe vera. And trust me when I say this retinol body lotion is giving what it's supposed to give. It's by Advanced Clinicals. It's really nice. It says apply generously to body and massage. One of the downside of this lotion is that it takes time to absorb. Like when you rub it on your skin, let me show you what I mean. Okay, and then you see this white thing it gives, like this white marks, you have to rub it in for like few seconds. It's not giving it that much because it's a bit, I use just a little part of it. So like when I'm creaming the whole of my body and I use a large amount, I pump in a large amount into my palms and I rub it in. I have to rub in for almost 10 to 15 seconds on each part of my body just to make sure it absorbs. You can see how glowing, like how moisturized my skin is. I've been using this in the last 1 month or 2 months and it's been giving me my result. It's been giving, like, leaving my skin very moisturized. It's been helping it with softness, moisturizing it for a long time. And honestly, I like using this particular one, and I'm not just using it. So I use the hyaluronic acid as well. So this is the hyaluronic acid by still Advanced Clinicals. So this hyaluronic acid, it says hydrating body cream. That's one of the reasons I bought it. Moisture locking hyaluronic acid. This is why I like it, because I like to lock in moisture. I like, after I've used my body lotion, I like the moisture to lock in. That's when I say lock in, to sustain that moisture for a long time. So what I do is, and it also says visibly firms and lifts for a sculpted appearance. So what I do is, I don't apply them at the same time. Let's say I use the retinol for 2 weeks. I go ahead to give it a break and I go on to use this hyaluronic acid, which is the hydrating, to keep it hydrated. So while I'm firming my skin and keeping my skin away from being dry and dull and uneven, I also make sure to skin moisture and also firm up my skin, like for me not to start having all those wrinkly, those wrinkly and dry looking skin. Once your skin starts looking dry and chappy, wrinkles begins to come out really easily. Of course, that's why it's always advised for you to moisturize, because dry and chappy skin can make you to have early signs of aging. That's why it's good for you to moisturize. So the moisture on this lotion is giving what it's supposed to give. Honestly, they are really nice. So these are the things I use. I keep it simple but nice. I don't have to do a lot. I don't like doing a lot because my skin is sensitive, baby. It is really sensitive. So I don't have to go on doing all those many steps that people do. I was watching a YouTuber one time and she was talking about using 12 products on her face. Like, sister, what are you doing? Are you digging gold on your face? 12 products, like 12 skincare routine on her face, like a routine she does on her face. Some people's face can actually take in many products. My face, it's not that nice to me on a normal day, so I'm very careful. So I don't do a lot on my face. Like sometimes I don't even use serums. I just use my face moisturizing cream, my sunscreen, my face wash. Once in a while I also exfoliate. I exfoliate according to the weather, according to how the weather is doing me on my body. So I don't have to do a lot. Okay, so for you who is asking me my skincare routine, my body skincare routine, this is as simple as what I do. Some people still go on to use body serums on their body. They still do body oil on their body. It all depends on what you want. Don't do a lot of routine on my body. Just keeping it real and simple. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, thank you so much. And I hope to be consistent. Work has not been letting me have a breathing space, but we move. So darlings, make sure you comment on the comment section. Tell me, would you be purchasing the dossier perfume? And of course, what part of my skincare routine do you like? Is it my soaking myself in the bath with my shower gel, the exfoliating, the body oil, and topping myself up with my perfume, with dossier perfume? So leave me a comment down below, and make sure, don't forget to go follow up Dossier on their Instagram page at dossierperfumes UK. And I'll see you soon, okay? Bye.